Hi there, yogis. My name is Sarah Bibbo, and this is Sarah Yoga. So I have been a little bit MIA lately because I've been under the weather and lots of things going on here. So I have a quick practice to kind of get us back into the game. So this is, when you don't have a ton of time, when you're not feeling super well, but you just want to become more aware of your body and move a little bit. This is for you. So we're actually just going to do it right here in our seat, and then we'll get up and do a few other poses. So also great if you're at your desk and don't really have the space to lay down a mat and do a bunch of things, but want to release some tension or release some negative thinking. All of it is good, and sometimes, you only have a little bit of time or you don't have that energy, so you kind of just have to allow your practice to fit how you feel that day. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to scooch back so you can see me and hopefully still hear me. Sorry, this video won't be per my normal production standards. But from here in our seat, again, you don't have to be in fancy clothes or even wearing yoga clothes. I'm in jeans. We're going to grab hold of the knees and just take a few cat-cows in our seat. Using your inhale to roll open. Exhale to round. And again, deep breath in. Exhale, round. Again, deep breath in. Exhale, round. And then go ahead and lift up. Let your arms come down. Take a nice big breath in. Maybe running into furniture on your way in. Lift up. And then drop the right arm up and over to the right. Inhale, come up. Up and over to the left. Inhale, come all the way up. Pick up that right ankle, cross it over your left knee. Make a figure 4 shape with your legs. Take a breath in. Exhale, a little bow down. Above your head. It's 5 rounds of breath here. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Softening as you go. 2, 3 more. Inhale. Exhale. Again, deep breath in. Exhale. A last inhale. Exhale, release. Come all the way up. Switch right to that other side. Left ankle on top of the right knee. Take a breath in, lift up. Exhale. Fold. Just let your head go. And again, 5 rounds of breath. Right into the back of the kidneys, the back of the ribs. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, roll all the way up. Release. Kind of shake out the shoulders, shake out the hands and the wrists. Take your hands together, clasp them. Do a couple of wrist holds here. And go the other way. And kind of do that all the way around. So you can kind of roll through those shoulders. And then go the other way. Nice, let that go. Come stand up. So come around to the back of your chair here. Swivel mine. And we're going to take a nice big forward fold. So hands on the back of the chair. Stick your bum out and just kind of let the head drop through. few rounds of breath here, really releasing through the belly, the face, the jaw. And then when you're ready, slow rise all the way up. Let your head be heavy. Come all the way up. So we're just going to kind of push that chair away for a moment. Find a stand. Let your arms come down by your side. Take a little back bend. So hands to the low back. Just going to lift up and back. And then release the hands down. Inhale, sweep it up. So you can take your arms all the way up and over. And then exhale, bend your knees. Float the arms down, chin to chest. And we'll do that again. Inhale, float up. And exhale. Again, deep breath in. And exhale. This time, just let your head hang forward, forward fold, shake out the head. Let the arms drop, shake out the hands, shake out the arms, kind of shake out everything here. And then roll it all the way up. All right, so now, shift this light around. Now we're going to take this chair and move into, I'm trying to do this so you can see me. Move into a little inversion. So whatever, if you're at your desk, maybe just do this for a moment if you can. If you worry about looking kind of crazy, I guess you worry about looking kind of crazy, but it's super beneficial. So you're going to come down on your back and take the back of your calves up and over the chair. So the whole point with this practice is, right, something you can do anywhere. Something that is short and sweet and not fancy. Let your arms drop off to the side and pause here. So already feels a lot better in my body. So I invite you to stay in that shape for as long as you can get away with it if you're at work, or as long as you need if you're at home. Again, this is, not a super fancy setup, obviously, production value video. Just an example that it doesn't have to be super fancy. You don't have to have special clothes. If you are not feeling well or you don't have enough time, there's always room for yoga. So keep going. Find those little things in your day that can help shift your mind, your perspective, bring you back to your body and back to your breath. So thank you so much for joining me. If you're still hanging out with the legs over the chair, stay there. Stay there for as long as you need. And I hope this helps. I'll see you next time on XSarah Yoga. Namaste.